Continuing with the product promotion mix. Sorry. 4 types of consumer products and marketing considerations: convenience shopping, specialty, and unsought products. We will now focus on one special category of products: consumer products. Consumer products are those types of products you have to do with most often in private purchasing. What are the different types of consumer products and what specific marketing considerations apply to each of these 4 consumer products? So there's 4 types of consumer products. Firstly, what specifically is a consumer product? A consumer product is a product bought by a final consumer for personal consumption. But not every consumer product is the same, so there are 4 different types of consumer products. Marketers usually classify them into these 4 types of products: convenience products, shopping products, specialty products, and unsought products. These 4 types of consumer products all have different characteristics and involve a different consumer purchasing behavior. Thus, the type of consumer products differ in a way consumers buy them, and for that reason, in the way they should be marketed. Convenience products. Among the 4 types of consumer products, the convenience product is bought most frequently. Convenience product is a consumer product or service that customers normally buy frequently, immediately, and without great comparison or buying effort. Examples include articles such as laundry detergents, fast food, sugar, and magazines. As you can see, convenience products are those types of consumer products that are usually low priced and placed in many locations to make them readily available when consumers need or want them. Shopping products. There we go. The second of the 4 types of consumer products is a shopping product. A shopping product is a consumer product that customers usually compare on attributes such as quality, price, and style, and the process of selecting and purchasing. Thus, the difference between the 2 types of consumer products presented so far is that the shopping product is usually less frequently purchased and more carefully compared. Therefore, consumers spend much more time and effort in gathering information and comparing alternatives. Types of consumer products that fall within this category are furniture, clothing, used cars, airline services, etc. As a matter of fact, marketers usually distribute these types of consumer products through fewer outlets, but provide deeper sales support in order to help customers in the comparison efforts. Specialty products. Number 3 of the type of products is the specialty products. Specialty products are consumer products that are services with unique characteristics or brand identification for which a significant group of consumers is willing to make a special purchase effort. These type of products or types of consumer products involve different levels of effort in purchasing. The specialty product requires a special purchasing effort but applies only to certain consumers. For example, specific cars, professional and high-priced photographic equipment, designer clothes are a couple of examples types of consumer products such as a Lamborghini. In order to buy one, a certain group of buyers should make a special effort, for instance, by traveling great distances to buy one. However, specialty products are usually less compared against each other. Rather, the effort must be understood in terms of other factors. Buyers invest, for example, the time needed to reach the dealers that carry the wanted products. To illustrate this, look at the Lamborghini example. The one who wants one, immediately convinced of the choice for a Lamborghini, would not compare to it that much against 10 other brands. Unsought products. The four types of consumer products also include unsought products. Unsought products are those consumer products that a consumer either does not know about or knows about but does not consider buying under normal conditions. Thus, these types of consumer products consumers do not think about normally, or at least until they need them. Most new innovations are unsought until consumers become aware of them. Examples are life insurance, pre-planned funeral services, etc. As a consequence of their nature, unsought products require much more advertising, selling, and marketing efforts. And you can go back on your own and look at that example. All right. This is the last one in this section, guys. Why is promotion important for a business? Your business is doomed if nobody knows it exists. Promotion, advertising, and publicity can make potential customers aware of your brand in different ways. Ideally, you can combine all three to let consumers know you're there and that you're better than the competition. The importance of promotion and advertising is that they make potential consumers aware of your company and the benefits of doing business with you. Where advertising focuses on growing sales, the importance of promotion strategy is that it builds customer awareness. Advertising is a part, but not all of that strategy. The importance of promotion and advertising. Publicity, advertising, and promotion all make people aware of your brand, but they're not identical. Advertising draws attention to your products and services with the goal of boosting sales. Commercials, newspaper ads all fit into that category. Publicity spreads news about your company, often without you paying for it. A great Super Bowl commercial is advertising, but if people who see it tell their friends how funny it was, then that's publicity. Promotion, raise awareness of your product and draw customers' attention, for example, by sponsoring a trade or giving away free samples. Whereas advertising tells consumers, buy now, the nature and importance of promotion says we're here and you're awesome. Increased sales hopefully follow. The three tactics do overlap, and a successful promotion strategy often relies on advertising as well as publicity. Nature and importance of promotion. The nature of promotion is usually offered for a limited time. If you're launching a new soft drink, you offer a free case to anyone who buys the classic variety. That deal won't last forever. After you introduce people to your new product, you want them to stay paying for it. Likewise, setting up a special event to promote your company is usually a one-shot deal, a concert, a sporting event, or a sweepstakes that makes it different from advertising campaigns. And it often runs for months. The importance of a promotion strategy depends on your objectives. Promotions can accomplish several different goals. Boost brand awareness, convince people to try to buy a new product at least once. Provides information on your product is new, and promotions can make people aware of its benefits and why it's better than the competition. Increased customer use, frequent flyer programs are an example of this. A traveler who uses Delta, American Airlines over and over can qualify for free flights. Using a credit card tied to the airline gives customers more miles. Importance of promotion objective. Before launching a promotion, you need to be clear on the results you want. The importance of promotional objective is that they determine the kind of promotion you need. If you want to build brand awareness and increase word of mouth publicity, a big, spectacular, eye-catching event or charitable donation might be best tool. If you have a product that isn't selling, package it together with a 2-for-1 price campaign has advantages. To encourage customers to buy a new product, rebates or complete refund if you're not satisfied campaigns may prove effective. And if your goal is to gather more information about the customers, a promotion that incorporates a website visit can be useful. To claim the rebate, customers log in and provide their email address, for instance. Then you can contact them later by email with more offers. The important element of promotion strategy is it ties with your objectives. Some promotional challenges. Any advertising for promotion has to meet legal requirements for your ads, such as not breaking truth in advertising laws. There are some special difficulties when staging promotions. Rebates have to comply with state law, for example, the design of the form. Rebate fraud is a common problem. You need to watch for counterfeit forms and other scams. Sweepstakes and contests are often subject to government oversight to ensure you don't cheat the contestants. You have to be very clear about the rules and the privacy policy and not trip up winners with technicalities. Finally, the summary. The promotional mix is a blend of communication channels that a business uses to send its message to customers. Its message elements are advertising, personal selling, publicity, and sales promotion. By using an appropriate promotion mix, blending elements together and focusing on integrated marketing, communication strategies, promoters can often or can effectively inform customers about their goods, services, and images and ideas.